Hello, everyone. Welcome to Kids Files, where we are going to do daily English practice conversation. Can you confidently say your name in English? Let's practice together. Listen and speak with me. Let's start. Today's topic is What's your name?
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Minji. What's yours?
My name is Priya. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Minji?
I'm from Seoul. How about you?
I'm from Mumbai. How do you spell Minji?
Minji. How do you spell Priya?
Priya. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy painting. And you?
I like reading. Why are you learning English?
I want to travel more. What about you?
I'm learning for my job. How long have you been learning English?
About 2 years. You?
I've been learning for 1 year. What do you enjoy about learning English?
I love meeting new people. And you?
I enjoy watching movies in English. Nice talking with you, Minji.
Nice talking with you, Priya.